In India, CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory is the pioneer in the development of application-oriented e-waste recycling processes fulfilling zero-waste concept. In order to create the infrastructure for e-waste recycling, NML has various collaborations and sponsorships with national and international research institutes and companies for the development of recycling technologies. To carry out scale-up and pilot-scale trials, a center dedicated for the development of feasible technologies to recover non-ferrous, precious and rare earth metals from secondary resources is established at CSIR NML Jamshedpur with generous support of Dr. Indraneel Chaturaj, Director NML. Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, Director General of CSIR and Secretary of the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India, has inaugurated this center named as Urban Ore E-Waste Recycling Center at CSIR NML Jamshedpur on 28 April 2019. E-wastes are kept properly classified and weighted, such as CPUs, keyboards, Xerox machine, printers, scanners, CD drive, telecom devices, etc. E-wastes are made up of plastics, ceramics, reinforced resins, rubbers and various metals. Therefore, recycling of these wastes will conserve the natural resources, protect the environment and gain the value from waste to wealth. First of all, e-wastes are dismantled, classified and processed separately for pre-treatment and recycling. The classified materials are crushed using shredders. The shredders have very special design teeth which is effective for the cutting of various classified e-wastes. This is crushed e-waste. This is crushed PCBs. The crushed materials are generally sent for pulverization to make the material fine, which is very suitable for hydrometallurgical processing. The crushed materials are further leached in suitable reagent and filtered to get the leach liquor containing various metals or materials. This is the mixer settler unit, which is used for extraction or separation of various metals from the leach liquor. The advanced separation techniques are applied to purify the solution and recover each metal as different purified solutions. Chemical and instrumental analysis is required to maintain the quality of the product. Therefore, at CSIR NML, we use AAS and ICP for the analysis of metals leached or product made. CSIR NML Jamshedpur has successfully developed the process to extract gold from electronic waste like scrap mobile phones, medical equipments and telecommunication devices in order to conserve natural resources and energy. A hydrometallurgical process flow sheet has been developed for the selective separation and recovery of gold from the gold-plated surface of e-waste such as PCBs of mobile phones, connectors and part of telecom exchange devices. The gold-plated e-waste were leached in suitable lixiviant for maximum dissolution of gold, followed by the process of charcoal adsorption where all gold gets adsorbed onto the activated charcoal, which was further burnt at elevated temperature of about 1350 degrees Celsius to obtain gold metal. This technology has been transferred to Messrs. ADV Metal Combined Private Limited, New Delhi, Messrs. Exigo Recycling, Delhi, Messrs. Metao Recycler, Kolkata and Messrs. Eco Recycling Company, Mumbai. Other hydrometallurgical process flow sheet has been developed for the recovery of precious metals, silver, gold, palladium and platinum from the e-waste. The e-wastes were dismantled and depopulated to separate the ICs present on the PCBs. The ICs were pulverized and physically beneficiated to separate the metallic and non-metallic parts. The beneficiated metallic parts containing silver, gold, palladium and platinum were hydrometallurgically processed for the selective separation and recovery. Two-stage leaching was carried out for maximum dissolution of precious metals, followed by the purification and recovery using advanced separation techniques. In first stage, leaching of the metallic concentrate was carried out for maximum dissolution of about 98% of non-ferrous metals along with silver, leaving other precious metals gold, palladium and platinum in the leached residue. Further precipitation of silver followed by the selective separation of copper and nickel by solvent extraction techniques were carried out. In second stage, the leached residue gold, palladium and platinum was dissolved in suitable lixiviant to get more than 95% precious metals in the solution. The leach liquor obtained in the second stage containing gold, platinum and palladium was initially processed for precipitation studies to get the salt of gold, whereas platinum and palladium left in the filtrate were selectively separated by solvent extraction method. From the purified solutions, platinum and palladium were recovered as salt using evaporation technique. The process has been transferred to various Indian industries. Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, DGCSIR New Delhi, visited Urban Ore Recycling Plant of NML where he discussed about the various technologies related to e-waste recycling developed at Urban Ore E-Waste Recycling Center NML. He has shown his satisfaction for the development of application-oriented technologies for the recovery of rare earth and precious metals such as gold, silver, platinum and palladium from the e-waste.